Another day is another breaking record for this hypercar EV car brand, Rimac. Rimac NEVERA in November 2023 showed and uploaded another record. Meanwhile, for a few time ago, they already take many records for quickest acceleration car 0 to 64 production car. And now, not just a mainstream record, they actually do twists with the record. They are doing fastest world record but in reverse. If you want to know the story, let's watch it together. Hope you enjoy. Back in 1967, the Lamborghini Miura became the fastest production car in the world, using the full might of its V12 engine to become the first to nudge through 170 miles per hour barrier. Fast forward several decades, and the Rimac NEVERA has just achieved the same speed, but driving backward. Witnessed by Guinness World Record and verified using data measured by DSX, and the NEVERA officially hold Guinness World Record title for the fastest speed in reverse. Hosted at Automotive Testing Papenburg facility in Germany, the NEVERA returned to the place where earlier this year it had broken more than 20 acceleration and breaking records in a single day. The NEVERA was driven to a top speed of 171.34 miles per hour or 275 km per hour in reverse. Unlike an internal combustion engine car or even some electric cars, the drivetrain of the NEVERA has no gears. The four individual motors either go backward or forward. It's always one relentless wall of acceleration right away from standstill. That means that the same powertrain capable of delivering 0 to 100 miles per hour in 3.21 seconds or 0 to 200 miles per hour in just under 11 seconds forward. This also means the NEVERA can do similar with the performance of traveling backward. NEVERA Chief Program Engineer have said this. It occurred to us during development that NEVERA would probably be the world's fastest car in reverse, but we kind of laughed it off. The aerodynamics, cooling, and stability hadn't been engineered for traveling backward at speed, but then we started to talk about how fun it will be to give it a shot. Our simulations show that we could achieve well over 150 miles per hour, but we didn't have much of an idea how stable it will be. And I think that's it for the video. Sorry for my bad and broken English. And my advice for all NEVERA owner, careful with the reverse gear, because that can go more than 170 miles per hour. That's super fast in reverse. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye. Also watch my other video. Thank you guys.
This year we broke lots of records going forward, so we wanted to try something different.
I can now confirm that here today, Goran managed a total speed in reverse of 275.74 kilometers per hour It therefore gives me great pleasure to officially recognise a new Guinness World Records title. On behalf of Guinness World Records, congratulations, you are officially amazing.
I'm not sure how to do. I got the superstar glow, so to the fullest. I take my life to mommy.